I am Alma, your virtual travel companion. I am named after Alma Maximiliana Karlin, a Slovenian traveler and writer who journeyed the world solo at the beginning of the 20th century. She was drawn to faraway lands, but I prefer to wander around green Slovenia. I seek out remarkable experiences, from the plains of Prekmurje to the coast, from towering mountain peaks to the subterranean wonders of the karst. I help you find inspiring content, plan unforgettable holidays, and select the perfect accommodation. I can advise you on where to eat and where to pamper yourself. I lead you through the charming towns and unveil hidden gems. Where do I get all this knowledge? I find verified information on the Slovenia.info travel portal and over 50 Slovenian destination websites. I am powered by the OpenAI ChatGPT algorithm, a specialized artificial intelligence model designed for virtual assistants. I speak 7 languages, day and night. I can conduct multiple conversations simultaneously, but I focus on each user individually. After just a few questions, I can understand your preferences and interests. This is how I can offer you useful information and advice. My algorithm keeps improving, and so do my answers.